check out this before and after. We are going to give you a step-by-step tutorial of how to create a pixie cut on a loose curl texture. So we start off with wet hair, of course, and get the front section out the way since that's going to be where our length is. And I go ahead and start by creating my angle. We're going with close to a 45-degree angle just to create the shape. And once we get the nape of the neck lined up, we are going to repeat that angle following our guide into the next section and just basically travel around the head, creating that cut that will frame her head very nicely. I normally start long and just continue to take more and more off until it starts to fit her face and me and my client agree upon length. But I like to start long because I can take more off, but I cannot give hair back. So me and my clients, just continue to work together to find out what length works good for her. But I want this to be a look and learn that y'all can watch and enjoy the process of. It's very therapeutic to watch hair cutting, at least for me. So if y'all have any questions, definitely leave a comment. But yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see the end result of this transformation and how we go about not only cutting, but styling and drying this whole look together using our diffuser. So yeah, watch, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy.
I was looking into darkness, something to hold on. Found you when you were so broken, and I felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, I'm in love.